Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project online toy store. I am creating this video project online toy store. I have developed this project in Python Django. So we created this project using two different type of UI. For admin there is a different UI and for user there will be a different UI. And both are bootstrap theme, and also I am using latest version of Python, that is a Python version is 3.12 and the Django version is 5. So this technology stack I am using this project. So this is a front end page of this project and the project title is online toy store. I have developed this project in Python, Django and MySQL. I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used for giving some good effects inside the project. Like this you can see, and like this, like this you can see and also you can see there is a slider running on the home page. We have added 3 images. So it's coming from the JavaScript, right? You can see here categories and you can search anything from here. So this is a home page. You can see this is a home page. This is a about us page. This is a totally static page, nothing dynamic in this page. And this is a products page. You can see all the toys which are coming from the database. This is a dynamic page and you can see the number of toys. You can add the number of more toys from the database. This is the categories. You can see here 8 categories. You can add the number of categories from the database. This is also a dynamic page. Okay. This is a register page. Here user can easily register from this page, and this is a contact us page. You can see, and this is a we have integrated a small map. You can see this is also a static page. Now if you want to buy some products, click on the view details, like click on the, here is the restrictions. Without login you can't access the you can't buy any product. So first you need to log in. You have, so user ID is customer and the password is test. Now click on the login to account. Oh, you can see this is a user dashboard. You can see here total orders, confirmed order, transit order, delivered. You can see important links. You can easily go from this page on this link and you can see your order. Okay, now first you want to shopping some toys, click on the shopping and click on the products. If you want to buy teddy bear, now click on the view details. You can see the details about teddy bear, and if you want to buy, then you can add the number of quantity from here, like you can buy, if you want to buy 4 teddy bear, click on the 4 and click on the add to cart. Oh, you can see your card has been updated successfully, and you can see the cost per unit 4,000 and the quantity is 4 items and the total cost is 16,000. Amounts gets calculating automatically. Now if you want to proceed, now click on the proceed to checkout. You can see there is a dummy payment page, nothing real in this page. This is a only dummy page. You can enter the any card number, name of card like a Visa, and expiry date. You can enter any expiry date like this, and CVV 123. Click on the make payment. You can see your payment has been done, your order has been confirmed. Okay, if you want to see your order, you can click on the my order section. You can see your order details, your orders. Now if you want to see this order details, click on the eye icon. You can see your order details from this eye icon. Okay, now if you want to update your account, click on the my account. You can update your account, and this is a change password. If you want to change the password, you can click on the change password. You can easily update your password. Okay, So this is all about the front end thing. One last thing I want to tell you, there is this is a session driven. You can see the administration option, logout option, dashboard option is also showing. You can see if I log out, you can see the upper menu has been changed because of the session driven. So the system is checking who is login, and accordingly so that upper menu has been displaying. So this is all about the front end panel what we have developed. This project online toy stores. Now comes the admin panel. For admin panel, you need to open first admin login. Without login, you can't access the internal page. So first you need to log in. So the user ID is admin and the password is test. So user ID is admin and password is right. Now sign in. Oh, you can see this is a admin dashboard. This is a very attractive dashboard. Okay, you can see everything from here. So this is dashboard. Even this is a drag and drop thing. You can see this is a drag and drop thing. You can also the maximize or minimize from here, just like this. You can minimize, you can maximize. So this is the quick menu. From here you can go on the page. You can see this is a menu. If I click here menu, you can see the main options. Now click on the, you can see registered customer, available categories, all products, total orders, order delivered, order in transit, each and all things. Now first click on the add products. This is a add products page. Here admin can easily add new toys from this page, and you can see also the custom product report, means toys report. You can see all the product report. You can see here if you want to edit and delete, you can easily edit and delete from here. You can see the product report, images, name, type, stock, price, each and everything from the all product report. You can export the data as well as CSV, as well as Excel, as well as PDF. If you want to you can click on the column visibility. If you want to hide the images, you can click on the images. You can see the image has been hide. If you want to see the image, you can click on the image. You can see image has been visible. This is the power of this table. And there is a pagination here. You can see there is a basic pagination. Okay, same for the add category page. Here admin can easily add new category, means toys category, add from this page. Okay, and this is a category report. You can easily see all the category report. You can easily edit and delete from here. If you want to edit, you can click on the edit. You can see the category has been visible in edit format. Okay, this is a order, all orders. Admin can see all orders from the all customers, and this is a edit orders, view items, cancel order. If you want to view item, click on the view items. You can see the easily item details. And this is a customer management, add customer page. Here can easily add new customer from this page. And this is a customer report, same as the product report. You can see, you can easily edit and delete from here. You can export the data as well as CSV, as well as Excel, as well as PDF. Okay, and this is a change password. Here admin can update his password easily, and this is a logout option. Okay, so this is the view of admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also the view of user panel. In this project online toy store, we have developed these two different types of view for this managing this whole project online toy store. So this is all features we have developed inside the project. If you have or you need any type of enhancement, any features, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirement. So don't forget, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.